Take all your clothes off and go run. Why would you not wear a jacket? You should know we were coming from the park. Yeah. The kid's gonna go streaking, Kayla. Don't look, there's people.
What the fuck?
Boop, take your pants off!
Cassie, you're a little horn dog.
What? No, Alyssa told me to.
They both are. What the fuck? What the fuck? You fucking fish face?
They are fucking awesome. They have to come to parties with us now.
What the fuck is wrong with you people?
Holy! Oh my god!
What the fuck is wrong?
Oh, tackle somebody.
He went down! Niggas down on the ground!
Niggas are down on the ground. Get down on the ground!
Yo, anybody else
Oh
know
shit.
it's all wet and muddy and there's a lot of goose shit over there? And he's got a white tee on.
Oh my god.
Can you see them in the camera?
I fucking see them, man. They're like little dots, but I see them.
Gil, give me your camera. I'll run up. Drink.
I'm fucking drunk on my ass, guy.
Oh, dude, this is the shit right here. I have to piss.
Mike, leave me alone. You're fucking recording me.
You're fucking dildo. Get over here.
Come here, asshole.
Come on, man. You get first. Mike, you're my best friend.
Get away. Fuck you, Mike.
Watching pressure on the
Alright, here. I babysat it. Cook it. What do I do?